The Witcher Old World combat example are never enough for you. Here are 5 more.
When entering combat, the first thing to pay attention to is the life pool. Shuffle the action card and prepare the Witcher life pool. Here we have a Witcher from the School of the Cat and a Witcher from the School of the Wolf. Cards in hand and potion ready. The Wolf Witcher goes first, being the active player. He plays a combo that deals 3 hits. The Cat Witcher shields absorb 2 hits, and 1 affect the life pool. The player card are discarded, and the combat attribute tell us that 2 new cards can be drawn. Now is the Cat turn. He uses a potion to lower the Wolf's shield and uses his special ability to see and acquire some extra cards. He keeps 2 and puts back 1. Time to play the first combo. Even though he has 6 cards in his hand, his options for multiple combo are limited. So he decides to play a dodge card to recharge his shield and gain more cards. Remember, the hand limit is 7 cards. Therefore, the cat draws 1 fewer card. Wolf's turn now. He decides to use a potion, allowing him to play both cards from his hand. 1 card is returned to his hand, as indicated on the card itself, and he draws 3 new cards. The Cat Witcher decides to use the item Medicine and recover 1 of the discarded cards. All potions are discarded after use. The cat plays a 3-card combo, dealing 3 hits, recharging 1 shield and regaining 1 card, and refill his hand. The Wolf Witcher now plays a 2-card combo, dealing 2 hits and drawing 1 extra card. Now it's the Blue Witcher's turn again, but he has no more potion or special action to perform, and goes straight into the combo. 1 hit, 1 shield, 1 extra card, and the chance to regain 1 of the cards he played. Once again, the cat's hand reached its limit of 7 cards, so he stopped drawing new cards. Now, the Yellow Witcher plays a 3-card combo, this activating his special ability, dealing 1 extra damage and drawing 2 extra cards. The hits are applied in this order: shield, life pool, hand. As you can see from this round, both Witcher have no life pool or shield left. The fight enters its dramatic phase. The cat deals 2 damage and takes back 1 of the cards played. The Wolf Witcher cannot use the potion and tactically plays a card that deals no damage but can be taken back. 2 life points remain. The Cat Witcher can only play 1 card, but it's enough to bring the Wolf life pool to 1. The Wolf tries a desperate move, buying time, by playing the same card as before. But on the cat's next turn, the final blow is struck. The Defender Witcher from the School of the Cat has won the fight. On the right is the active player, the Griffin, and on the left is the Bear Witcher. The first thing to do is prepare the life pool by shuffling all the cards except the one in hand. The Bear Witcher has a trophy collected during the Arachas hunt, which activates before the life pool is created, but it doesn't trigger because the player has more than 1 card in his hand. So active player goes first. He plays a combo, 2 hits and 1 extra card. The Bear shield absorbs the hit, and the Griffin completes the round drawing 2 cards. Now is the Bear turn. A few things happen. First, his special ability activates, restoring 1 shield and drawing 2 extra cards. He has also the option to use his crossbow, but decline because he has a better combo in hand. Here it is, 5 damage and 1 extra card to draw. That's a strong blow. Griffin shields go down and suffer damage. 3 cards to draw for the Red Witcher. The turn passes to the Griffin again. He uses his special ability and draws the top card from the discard pile. Then plays his combo, 2 hits and 1 shield. Then is the bear turn, 1 hit and 1 shield. Griffin forgot to refill his card, so he does so now, and play the potion. The potion allows him to play a combo plus an extra card. So he decides to play both of his cards. He also discards the potion card because it is consumed and can no longer be used. 1 damage and 2 shield, and then draw a new card. Also, the bear forgot to replenish his card earlier, so he does so now and plays a single card as a combo. Griffin shields absorb the 2 damage, and the bear witcher refill his hand. Now he has 5. Remember, your maximum hand size is 7. The yellow witcher executes his combo, and the bear responds by landing the final blow on the attacker. Let's go now for some good monster fights. First come the Cat Skull Witcher versus the Werewolf. As usual, first read the monster special ability, then let's build up the life pool. The Witcher will start the fight with 2 shields less and 14 points for the Werewolf. The monster goes naturally first. Charge or bite, charge. 4 hits. That goes all directly on the cat life pool. Time now for the cat to respond to the wolf attack. He used the medication to recover 1 life point and used his special ability trying to improve his hand. As in the best Witcher fights, he used a potion for delivering 2 hits straight to the face of the monster. Hand replenished, and then it's time for the wolf to respond. That's a bite. Level 2 monster, 3 hits. The cat witcher has already lost all his life pool. The role of the shield is so important in the fights. Cat turn, he plays a 2-card combo. 3 hits and 1 card less to draw, which has no impact due the cat's life pool is already empty. The fight was short and brutal. The werewolf charged and hit the cat witcher. It's a complete defeat. The witcher didn't go even close to eliminate the werewolf. Now it's the wolf witcher's turn against a Vyvern. Let's see how it goes. This time the wolf witcher approaches the monster with a trail token, which is extremely important. He can hit first. Life pool, monster special power, and ready to go. The Witcher delivers a mighty blow. 4 hits, but no card to draw. The monster bites, 5 hits. The Witcher shield drops to 0 and hit points are affected. Unfortunately for the monster, the Witcher has no card in hand, so his special power is wasted. The wolf decides to use one of the potions for regaining shields at cost of cards. That's it, and that's all for this round. The monster charges, and the hero is forced to discard 2 cards starting from his hand. The Witcher has no card in hand, and the only thing he can do is to draw 2 new cards. Monster gain, charge, 4 hits. Finally, the Witcher have an active role in this fight. He plays a 2-card combo, quite good, 1 hit, 1 shield, and 1 card extra. Card played, replenished, and initiative back to the monster. The monster bites and goes to the Witcher shields. The Witcher of the Wolf School risks everything by playing the potion in an attempt to drive away the monster. 5 hits. Success! The monster health pool is reduced to 0. He's kicked away the monster, and since he dealt the finishing blow, it doesn't matter if his health pool is also depleted. That's a complete victory. First, let's read the monster special ability. It may impose condition even before combat begins. Before creating a life pool, discard 1 card from your hand. Then, Arachas life pool, 10 cards. Cards on hand, life pool, potion and crossbow, the Witcher is ready. Monster go first, because the player hasn't a monster tracker. I'm using dice to decide if the monster will charge or bite. 3. That's a charge. 4 hit. Combat damage to the Witcher is always applied in this order. Shield, deck, then hand, as follow. Damage is absorbed by the shield first. If the shield's level is 0, the Witcher life pool is affected. If the deck is empty, excess damage is dealt to the cards in the hand. If the hand is empty, the Witcher is immediately knocked over, and the opponent wins the combat. Remember, monsters, however, always take damage on their life pool. Then the player starts his turn playing special ability, potion or effect in any order. So the Witcher goes with the crossbow, which delivers 2 damage, and discard a card. Bear Skull's special ability, it has been triggered because his shield is 0, meaning you can raise 1 shield and draw 2 cards. Because the player has no other cards, the new cards go directly to build the combo. It's a good one. 2 hits, 1 shield, 1 card less to draw, but 1 card will come back in hand. It's pretty decent. Now, it's the monster turn. 5, another charge. The attack forces the Witcher to permanently burn a card. That's bad. At the beginning of his turn, the Witcher can use potion if he has any. Has 1, which scores 2 damage and 1 card to discard. Since his hand is empty again, no further combos are possible, so he simply replenishes his card. The monster charge, once again, score 3 hit because the Arachas is a level 1 monster. The Witcher responds with a single blow, enough to finish the monster.
Thank you for watching.